Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. Today I'm here with a new video in which I will tell you about how you can turn on or off the hotspot and the Wi-Fi of your device VIVO T1 5G. But before starting, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move toward the video. If you want to turn on the or off Wi-Fi or hotspot of your device, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the hotspot and Wi-Fi in your device VIVO T1 5G. So now let's watch the video.